Ever stressed about what to wear on your last day of vacation? It's a common dilemma, balancing comfort with style as you transition from getaway mode back to reality. Let's simplify this process with a stress-free outfit hack. Say goodbye to last-minute packing panic with this easy outfit hack. Introducing the Last Day Outfit Hack, a simple step-by-step guide to plan your return outfit. Let's dive right in. First things first, choose a base outfit. This is the core of your ensemble. Prioritize comfort and versatility. Think stretchy jeans, a soft tee, or a breezy dress. These are casual, comfy, and can be dressed up or down, depending on the situation. Next, we layer. Layers are your best friend when traveling. They help you adjust to different weather conditions without the need to pack multiple outfits. Consider a lightweight sweater, a cozy scarf, or a weather-appropriate jacket. These can be easily added or removed as needed. Thirdly, it's time to accessorize. Accessories are the secret weapon of every style-savvy traveler. A statement necklace, a trendy hat, or a pair of stylish sunglasses can instantly elevate a simple outfit. Plus, they don't take up much space in your luggage. Finally, try on the complete outfit before you pack it. This will ensure everything fits right and feels comfortable. Remember, travel days can be long, and the last thing you need is an outfit that's uncomfortable or ill-fitting. With this outfit hack, your travel day outfit is sorted in no time. To quickly recap the last day outfit hack, we started with picking a versatile base, layered appropriately for the weather, added some flair with accessories, and tried it all on before packing. This simple yet effective strategy ensures stress-free packing, comfort during your journey, and a stylish arrival. You're not just throwing together a last-minute ensemble, but curating a look that's ready for whatever your travel day brings. Travel in style and comfort without the last day outfit stress. Happy travels. B.